Hey insulators, we're here on site in Oklahoma, and this is Kobe and Seth, and they are with Air Comfort Solutions. They're an HVAC group that also has an insulation division. They're now the proud owners of our VacTrailer Combo system, as well as a CM2400 and a CM1500. Kobe, I appreciate your order and appreciate the business and having us coming out here and showing you and training your teams. What do you think about the whole process?
The whole process has been great from start to finish. I know from watching the videos and then calling you from that initial, conversation was, hey, we need to have this. So as us growing our, our company, what we do with insulation and stuff, it's been integral. We've been using the 1500 now, Seth, for what, a couple weeks?
Yeah, for a while.
I loved it.
Great.
So we're looking forward to you coming today to help us get the VacTrailer set up, get the 2400 set up, and we look forward to be rolling with that right away.
Great. Now tell us a little bit about your business. You're based here in Oklahoma City. What is your range and what services do you offer?
So as far as services, we do all three main trades: heating and air, electrical, and plumbing. Now with this, we're expanding our insulation, ductwork, indoor air quality products. So that we basically, with all those components, we reach the entire state. We have a sister company in Tulsa that helps us with that, but that's what we do. So anything that can help the homeowners with their home, we protect their home, comfort, energy efficiency, plumbing, electrical, that's what we do.
Great. Seth, and you are running the insulation side of this.
I am.
You like it?
I do. It's been a learning curve for sure, but it's really good to be able to learn new stuff and have a whole bunch more opportunity just for the company and for myself and my family. So it's been really, really good.
Cool. Well, you have my name, you have my number. Give it to your guys. We're here after the sale. FaceTime, phone calls, don't hesitate. Okay?
Sounds good.
Thank you,
Very
Kobe.
appreciate you.
Thank you, Seth.
Thank you, sir.